Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to look at saving some data. So we're going to say file equals open, open our file stream. We're going to type in a file name, so we're going to call it student details.txt, and we're going to say we'll open it for writing. Oops, we're going to close it off, and then from there we're going to say now file.write, and this is where we're going to actually write the data. So we will put in, let's see, we'll try students. Students, let's see if that works. If it doesn't, it may throw an error in it not being a string. If it does that, we'll change it. So what's happening? That happens when we do the click button. So let's save that, and let's run array. Array is .py. Whoops, .py. File open is not defined. Because I haven't written a function for it. Okay. Let's see. So we're gonna say def. Let's see, def file open. I'll talk about this in a second. That's to open a file. And I'm not doing anything, but we'll just see what happens. Start menu equals option input not block. Because of that. Okay. So what we'll do, we will remove this for now. Control Z. We'll delete that. So now what we're doing, we will cut this out, and hopefully it'll still work. Okay, so click and see if it saves. It must be a string, not a list. Okay, so based on that, we're going to change this to students. We're going to say str, convert this to a string. Okay, save, see, click. Okay, so let's go to my Python practice 2 folder, and then be student details, which is right there. And there we go, and it saved the details in the array in the form of an array there. So that's where we go about saving data, or saving information, rather, whatever. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to open that up to load. Okay, so we're going to say, now we're going to close that, file.close, so we're closing the file stream, and then we're going here for open, so command file.open. So over here we're going to say def file open. Oops, no capital O. I'm going to say that. I'm going to say file, say to, whatever, it doesn't matter, just the name. So open, we're opening a file stream, we're opening this file, student details.txt, and we're opening that for reading. We're going to say file to dot, I think read, so write, read. Oh, I don't need that. And I'm going to store this somewhere, so we'll say file contents equals file2.read. Hopefully this works. Then I'm going to say print file contents. Let's see how this works. So we've got all that there. Do we have our open button? Good. Save. Let's run this again. Hopefully it doesn't throw any errors. Okay. So we are saying click. So save the file. Let's just check. We'll go to Python practice. There it is, student details. Just saved it. Then we're going to go back to command prompt, and we're going to click on open. So open the file, and there it is. So it's opened it and it's stored it there. Sorry, not stored there, but it's opened the file, put it into a variable, and it's printed that variable to the screen. So that's where we go about loading and saving. So let's just have a look at that again. All right, so to save anything, variable name, open the file stream, name of the file name that you want to create, W for writing. Then you type file.write, and this is where you would save whatever it is. And then file.close to close the file stream. Got to make sure I do it here as well. File2.close. Okay. To open or to read a file, so you would say file to say make a new another variable, another object. Open, so you're opening the file stream again. You're going to this file here, and you're opening it for reading. For reading. From there, you then store the contents or store the file in a variable by saying file2.read. There's other things. There's read line. There's read this, read that. There's lots of other types of reading. You can have a look at those yourself. And then from there you can, once that's stored in that variable, then you can do whatever you do with it. You can print it, you can save it, you can manipulate it, whatever the case is, whatever you want to do with it, that's what you can do with that. But that is how you save and load files.